nikhona sona letho ungabazi izwi likaNkulunkulu iyona edile izinto zakho. Ngicela ukuthi ngiyalithemba izwi likaNkulunkulu. Uthi Jesu izwi lenkosi uthi ke bahlangulele ngeqiniso ngoba izwi lami liyiqiniso. Kusho ukuthi izwi likaNkulunkulu liyibazane liyiqiniso. Abesathi ngiyakulazi iqiniso izwi lenkosi eliqiniso liyakukhulula. Izwi lenkosi liyakukhulula. Izwi lenkosi lezabazane liyakukhulula. Izwi lenkosi liyakukhulula ekutheni mama masosindisiwe ne awuthakatheki. Understand? Yes, masosindisiwe awuthakatheki. And abantu abaningi khona lento abafundisa abantu bakafundisana kamulo yahlala la ngiyathakatha lana bantu siyazi ngiyathakatha but scripture nayo siyana but eliyana ukuthi umzalwane sikasindisiwe ebuyathakatheni. I can quote scriptures that will tell you, right? Soft. I can tell you scriptures. So good you. Almost so sindisiwe awuthakatheki. Why now? Because Christ is a place. Christ is a place. Lithi Bible uma umuntu ekuKristu uzindawo esisha. Uma yena kuKristu yindawo. Kusho ukuthi usindisiwe so ubalekile wongena endaweni. Endaweni ongatholakala kuyo. Okay, let's make a practical example. Practical example yakona indaba kaNoah. Kokosibili. Indaba kaNoah. Because Noah umkhumbi wakhe represent Christ. Bonke abantu abangekho emkhumbini benza njani? Bahamba namanzi. Laba semkhumbi bahamba namanzi. Asahambe namanzi. Why? Because they were in a place. Bebasendaweni okufiwa kuyo kodwa bona bakusafety. Abantu basendaweni imvula iyana abantu bayafa mara bona bakhona same world but different values. So nathi sisemhlabeni ofanayo nabantu abangakhona mara thina sisemkhumbini kaNoah. Njengoba namthakatheki into ezokuthakatheki ilokukhuluma kwabo ngoba lithi Ibhayibheli ukufana abantu ukufana kuyasebenza. Mawuthwena bayamloya wena kusho wena isikhiya sakho ngeleso so bavuleleke bamloya kusho wena lithi Ibhayibheli abazophila nabazofasa wathwena sebamloyi soloyile ngoba huwo obavulela ukuthi bamloya kodwa bangathwena mina ngithakatheki. Understand? Ngeke ngithakatheki ngikhona basaba yes ngifuna siyilungise thina sinyama ingqondo yethu soyilimele kancane because thina yonke into ubuthakathi thina sabona inyoka ubuthakathi abantu babona inyoka i-National Geographic. When you get a guy, batata camera, batata video, bayashuta, bayistadisha. This is a black mamba. It's got two things. It's got blah 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 blah. It is this way. How is it going to? They publish. They present it. Tina saboni nyoga is either sikastagati no ukoko no mkuu. Amazi baba kwa fa umutu sega inyoga. Baba kwa fa umutu sababu wabe matuni kwa tamasega chini segeza na black mamba. Baba kuseka inkosi manje usaseka iblack mamba mashaka. Sikosithela amathwa ithela amashukela wenza ikhama manje ukuthi hayi ubumkhulu wethu gogo sakhuluma inyoka. So thina into lethu ayini somehow ilimele because when we see animals then thina kuvuka ubuthakathi kodwa bena mama bona animals kuvuka in nature. Wow, is this a black mamba? Is this a tiger? Is it big like this? How tall is it? How came. You understand that? Tina masibona ikati sizokuthakatha. Bona ubona ikati babona into friend. Yabo mfana silungise thina. Wasasilungise thina. Thina mfana silungise. Ngoba thina lo uNkulunkulu bobebeyilwana siyadinaya nakithi. Wena usaba ikati. Cabanga umdala manje usaba ikati. Wena umuntu omdala, wena uNkulunkulu weyilwana, mara wena ngokhalipwana ikati kwena la ikasoluyi. Cabanga it's nice, nice sound. What kind of a cat is that one? Is it a black or a white one? Nikola masala. Tina sabona ufutu, ukabangelo yamalo ufutu. Ukabanga lo ufutu mbulale, uyokwenza impilo zabanye abantu zabe slow. I remember about food, but it's a tortoise. It's a tortoise. But it's not anywhere. It's in Africa only. But we're from America, but we're from Japan, but we're from US, but we're from wherever. But the one I tortoise. Because there's no tortoise in their country. When let us start. Ye want to hear us in the line. Mama told the tortoise. He said it again. They say it's a bit of gas. Oh, take the tortoise. Oh. Mama were in Cape Town. So in Cape Town we have a penguins. They call the tour guide because Caesar. Utibaba yasi kwenziwa malina. Utiyasi senza malina. Alama penguin. Ichinomta na magazi. Utisenza 1 million per day. Senza 1 million per day alama penguin. Kusuka abantu Asia, America, Argentina, Southern Asia, beze South Africa bazona. Ikiwa yakona isuka la yofika le. So delta. Ikiwa kulile soke singabona amapenguin. But amapenguin aweko. Omayima ase South Africa kuphela. Kube yithi kuba sibe lokhu ababekela amapenguin laba. Ngabe sesiwahlesa waqedela amapenguin. Ngabe sewahlabesa afaka amanzi kokasa tuta lenzima safake emotweni sapheka sana. Njengoba naye khona vuka umuntu omnyama. Asuke masaba la ikho lento. Njengoba ngithakatheke. Uthakatheke